How to create WeVerse account. To learn how, follow these simple steps and make sure you watch video till the end. To get started, make sure you have installed the app on your device. If not, you can go to Play Store and install it. Now, first open WeVerse app. This appears on your screen and tap on Start WeVerse. Then on next page, choose the language for you. For now, I choose English and then tap on Next. Now tap on Join or Login option at the bottom. Then continue WeVerse using a Twitter account or Google account or Apple account. For this video, I am joining WeVerse account through email. Once you enter the email address, tap on Continue with this email. Then you will have to create password for your account. Just enter the password that you want to keep and make sure you cover all necessary requirements below. Once you enter the password, scroll down and retype your password. Once you are done with this, tap on Next. Now on this page you have to enter the nickname or simply keep the suggested one. For now I'm going with the suggested one. Then tap on Next. Then your next page appears. Agree to the terms of use. Tap on the tick option of the box on the left hand side. Then tap on Next. Now to verify your email, the mail has been sent to your mail. Just go back and check it. It appears like this on your screen. Just tap on Verify Email. As you can see here, your WeVerse account has been successfully created. Now to log in WeVerse account, just go back. Then open WeVerse account. Here enter your email address and password that you have created. Once you are done, tap on Login. So this is how you create WeVerse account. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.